What we're going to do today is we're going to solve number 2, the following set of system of inequality. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to solve number 2, a system of inequalities, and I'm going to solve this by graphing. So I want to make sure that both inequalities are in slope intercept form. And you notice that both are in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to go ahead and graph the first inequality. You notice that the slope is 2 over 1, and we know that the y-intercept is -3. So I'm going to start with the y-intercept, and that's where the inequality will cross or intersect the y-axis. So it's 1, 2, 3. From there, I will apply the slope. So I'm going to go ahead and go up 2 over 1, go up 2 over 1, go up 2 over 1, and repeat this process until I reach the end of the coordinate plane. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and draw a solid line since it is equal. And you notice it says y is less than or equal to 2x minus 3. So that means I will have to shade below. Now you notice that the second inequality is missing the x. So we know that the slope will be 0. Therefore, it's a horizontal line. And we have y is less than or equal to 1. So this horizontal line is going to go through 1. And it's going to go ahead and be less than, so we have to shade down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and indicate the area in which the solution exists. So the solution exists within this area. And the boundary is indicated by this orange line. Therefore, a solution point would be any point that's in this area. So for example, we have -1, -2, -3, -3, well, -2, -3, -4. So -3, -4 is a solution point. You notice that we have 0, 0 that's out here. This is a solution. This is not a solution. 0, 0 is not a solution point. So any point that's in this area or this green area is considered to be a solution point, to be a solution to this inequality system. This point will not be a solution.